Have you ever wondered how a new life actually begins? What happens inside a woman's body every month? Where does the egg come from? How far does the sperm travel? And where exactly do the sperm and egg meet to begin the creation of a new human life? In today's video, we will understand this amazing process of the human body step by step in a way that will truly surprise you. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because today you're going to discover the complete science behind human birth in the easiest and most powerful way possible. You are watching Zenvy Health. Inside the female body, there are two small organs called ovaries. The main function of the ovaries is to produce eggs and female hormones. Every month, one mature egg is released from an ovary. This process is called ovulation. After being released from the ovary, the egg enters the fallopian tube. The fallopian tube is a thin tube that connects the ovary to the uterus. This is usually the place where the sperm and egg meet. Now let's talk about the uterus. The uterus is the organ where the baby grows after fertilization. Its inner lining becomes soft and rich in blood so that the fertilized egg can safely attach and develop there. When physical intercourse happens between a man and a woman, semen is released from the male body. This semen contains millions of sperm cells. As soon as semen enters the female body, the sperm begin their journey. First, the sperm enter the vagina, then they pass through the cervix and move into the uterus. From there, they travel toward the fallopian tube in search of the egg. This journey is not easy. Out of millions of sperm, most die along the way. Some stop inside the uterus, while others cannot survive the acidic environment of the cervix. But the fastest and strongest sperm finally reaches the fallopian tube. If an egg is present in the fallopian tube at that time, the sperm tries to penetrate the outer layer of the egg. The moment one sperm successfully enters the egg, fertilization happens. In other words, the sperm and egg unite to form a new cell called a zygote. This zygote is the very first cell of human life. It contains 46 chromosomes, 23 from the mother and 23 from the father. These chromosomes create the complete genetic blueprint of the baby. This is what determines whom the baby will resemble, the eye color, hair type, skin tone, and many other traits. After this, the zygote begins dividing continuously. One cell becomes 2, then 4, then 8, and gradually millions of cells start forming. Within a few days, it becomes a tiny embryo and slowly begins traveling toward the uterus. After fertilization, the zygote does not immediately enter the uterus. It remains inside the fallopian tube for about 3 to 5 days. During this time, rapid cell division takes place. The single cell keeps multiplying and forms structures known as the morula and later the blastocyst. Tiny hair-like structures and gentle muscular movements inside the fallopian tube slowly push the developing embryo toward the uterus. Around the 5th to 7th day, the blastocyst finally reaches the uterus. When the embryo attaches itself to the inner wall of the uterus, the process is called implantation. This is the moment when pregnancy officially begins. From now on, the uterus acts as a safe home for the growing baby. After implantation, the embryo starts connecting completely with the mother's body. A special organ called the placenta begins to develop. The placenta acts as a connection between the mother and the baby. Attached to it is a tube called the umbilical cord. The umbilical cord becomes the baby's main source of oxygen, nutrients, vitamins, and nourishment. Whatever food the mother eats is converted into nutrients in her blood, which then pass through the placenta and reach the baby through the umbilical cord. The baby does not breathe on its own, so oxygen also comes from the mother's blood. At the same time, waste products from the baby's body are sent back through the placenta into the mother's body for removal. In this way, the placenta works as the baby's food supply, oxygen supply, and protection system all at once. Gradually, the embryo's heart starts beating. The brain begins developing. Hands, legs, eyes, and other body parts start forming. Over the next 9 months, the baby continues growing inside the uterus until finally a new life enters the world. Just think about it. A tiny egg, a microscopic sperm, and together they create an entire human being. This truly is nature's greatest miracle. If you found this information interesting, then like, share, and subscribe to Zenvy Health for more powerful videos about the human body and health.